everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we have a fantastic episode lined up for you. We're diving deep into why natural skincare is perfect for aging skin. Skin changes as we age, becoming thinner, drier, and more prone to wrinkles and sensitivity. So it's essential to choose skincare products wisely. We'll explore the unique benefits of natural skincare, from nurturing sensitive skin with gentle ingredients to the importance of deep hydration and harnessing the power of antioxidants. We'll also discuss how natural skincare supports long-term skin health and encourages mindfulness and self-care. Get ready to learn about nourishing, eco-friendly choices that can help keep your skin youthful, vibrant, and glowing. Let's get started. As we journey through life, our skin tells the tale of our experiences and time. With every passing year, our skin undergoes changes, becoming thinner, drier, and often more sensitive. This evolution makes the choices we make in skincare increasingly important. It's not just about vanity. It's about health, comfort, and confidence. Mature skin requires extra care and attention, but the good news is, it doesn't mean you have to resort to harsh chemicals or aggressive treatments. Natural skincare offers a gentle and nourishing alternative that's perfectly suited for aging skin. The beauty of natural skincare lies in its simplicity and efficacy. These products are formulated with ingredients derived from nature, packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. They work harmoniously with the skin, providing it with all the nourishment it needs without the additives that can often cause irritation or adverse reactions. By choosing natural skincare, you're opting for products that are free from synthetic fragrances, preservatives, and dyes, common culprits that can aggravate sensitive, aging skin. Instead, natural skincare relies on plant-based ingredients known for their soothing and calming properties. Think of ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and calendula, which offer hydration and strengthen the skin barrier without stripping it of its natural oils. Incorporating natural skincare into your routine means you're treating your skin with the utmost care and respect. You're giving it the chance to thrive with the help of gentle, non-toxic ingredients that support its natural functions. Plus, you're reducing the risk of causing further damage or accelerating the aging process with harsh chemicals. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the specific benefits of natural skincare. Up next, we'll explore how natural ingredients like jojoba and rosehip oil provide deep hydration and exceptional nourishment for mature skin. Natural skincare products are often formulated without synthetic fragrances, preservatives, and dyes, elements that can be incredibly irritating to sensitive, aging skin. Instead, they rely on gentle, plant-based ingredients that focus on soothing and calming the skin. This means less risk of inflammation and adverse reactions, which are particularly problematic as our skin becomes more delicate over time. Imagine the refreshing feel of aloe vera gel on a sunburn. That's the kind of gentle care we mean. By choosing natural skincare, you're embracing simplicity and giving your skin the nourishment it needs without the additives that can cause harm. Now let's talk about one of my favorite aspects of natural skincare: hydration. As we age, our skin tends to lose moisture more easily, making it prone to dryness and fine lines. This is where natural oils come into their own. They are incredibly effective at replenishing moisture and supporting skin elasticity. Natural oils such as jojoba, argan, and rosehip oil are packed with essential fatty acids that our skin loves. Jojoba oil is fascinating because it mimics the skin's natural sebum. This means it's absorbed quickly and deeply, providing hydration without clogging pores. Your skin gets the moisture it craves and stays smooth and supple. Argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is not only deeply moisturizing, but also rich in vitamin E, which helps to repair and protect the skin from environmental damage. It's a fantastic option for anyone dealing with fine lines and wrinkles. Then we have rosehip oil, which is packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants. It's perfect for hydrating the skin and evening out skin tone. Rosehip oil can work wonders for reducing the appearance of scars and hyperpigmentation while giving your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. By incorporating these natural oils into your skincare routine, you're helping your skin retain its moisture, remain elastic, and tackle dryness effectively. These oils are nature's gift to mature skin, enabling you to maintain a radiant, youthful appearance without synthetic alternatives. In the next segment, we'll delve into the powerful antioxidants that natural skincare offers and how they can help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Stay tuned. And now, let's delve into one of the superstars of natural skincare, antioxidants. Natural ingredients like green tea, vitamin C, and vitamin E are powerful antioxidants that your skin loves. So why are antioxidants so important? Well, they fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause oxidative stress and accelerate aging. Free radicals come from various sources, including pollution and UV rays. They can wreak havoc on our skin, leading to fine lines, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Green tea is one of my favorite sources of antioxidants. It's packed with polyphenols, which are known for their ability to protect the skin from environmental damage. Applying green tea extracts to the skin can help reduce inflammation and even out your complexion. Next up, let's talk about vitamin C. This powerhouse ingredient not only fights free radicals, but also boosts collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, making vitamin C a must-have in any anti-aging skincare routine. Look for serums or moisturizers that include natural vitamin C from citrus extracts. And finally, we have vitamin E. This antioxidant is incredibly moisturizing and helps to repair the skin. It works in synergy with vitamin C, enhancing its effects. Vitamin E is easily found in ingredients like sunflower oil and almond oil, which can be incorporated into your skincare routine for maximum benefit. Using products rich in these natural antioxidants can protect your skin from the damage caused by free radicals, reducing visible signs of aging. Over time, you'll notice a reduction in fine lines, an improvement in skin tone, and a brighter, more youthful appearance. Stay with us as we move forward into how natural skincare supports long-term skin health and encourages a mindful approach to self-care. You'll love what's coming next. Now let's focus on another vital aspect of natural skincare: enhanced collagen support. Maintaining collagen levels is key to keeping skin firm and youthful looking. Our bodies produce collagen naturally, but as we age, this production slows down, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Luckily, there are natural ingredients that can help boost collagen levels. First up is hyaluronic acid. It's commonly derived from plants and is a sensation in the world of skincare. This ingredient is a powerhouse when it comes to retaining moisture. By keeping your skin well hydrated, hyaluronic acid helps maintain its plumpness and elasticity, which in turn supports collagen. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water and fortifying its ability to stay firm and smooth. Next, we have aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera does more than just calm irritated skin. It also aids in the production of collagen. The natural enzymes in aloe vera break down dead skin cells, promoting the regeneration of new ones. This process helps keep the skin looking firm and youthful, assisting in collagen maintenance in a gentle, natural way. Lastly, rosehip oil is a true multitasker in the realm of natural skincare. Rich in vitamins A and C, it stimulates collagen production and improves skin elasticity. Rosehip oil is also packed with fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the skin deeply, reducing the appearance of fine lines and scars over time. It's an excellent addition to your skincare routine if you're seeking to boost collagen naturally. These natural ingredients are wonderful allies in the quest to maintain collagen levels and support the structural integrity of your skin. By using products that contain hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and rosehip oil, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to stay firm, plump, and youthful. Up next, we'll finish strong by discussing the broader, long-term benefits of natural skincare, from promoting overall skin health to encouraging a mindful self-care routine. As we age, our skin's ability to regenerate slows down, making it more vulnerable to toxins and environmental stressors. This makes it all the more crucial to be mindful of what we put on our skin. Synthetic chemicals often found in conventional skincare products can be harsh and irritating, exacerbating aging and causing further damage to our skin's health. Natural skincare provides a gentle, yet effective alternative by reducing exposure to these synthetic chemicals. Using products that are free from harsh additives means you're less likely to experience the irritation and sensitivity that can come with aging skin. By opting for natural ingredients, you're giving your skin the best chance to repair and maintain itself without the additional stress that synthetic chemicals can bring. Think about ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile. These are not only hydrating, but also soothe and calm the skin, reducing redness and promoting healing. Calendula, another powerful natural ingredient, works to enhance the skin's natural regeneration process without the risk of irritation. The fewer harmful chemicals we introduce to our skin, the better it can function and look. Natural skincare is a proactive approach to aging gracefully, ensuring we treat our skin with the kindness and care it deserves. By incorporating natural products into your routine, you're supporting your skin's health and resilience over time. In the next segment, we'll explore how natural skincare supports long-term skin health and encourages a mindful approach to self-care. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and strategies. Another major benefit of natural skincare is how it works to improve skin texture. Regular use of natural ingredients like plant-based butters, oils, and extracts can significantly refine your skin's texture. Healthy, smooth skin is a top priority for many, and natural skincare offers wonderful tools to achieve this goal. Take shea butter and cocoa butter, for instance. Shea butter is a fantastic moisturizer. It's rich in vitamins A and E, which are essential for skin repair and health. It's particularly effective for softening dry patches and improving overall skin smoothness. Think of it as a nutrient-dense balm that melts into your skin, providing deep nourishment. With regular use, shea butter helps create a smoother, more even skin surface. Cocoa butter is another superstar when it comes to enhancing skin texture. Known for its rich emollient properties, cocoa butter is excellent at locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It penetrates deeply into the skin, making it softer and more resilient over time. Plus, its high antioxidant content means it also fights free radicals, contributing to a more youthful appearance. Plant-based oils also play a crucial role in refining skin texture. Oils such as argan and jojoba oil not only provide hydration, but also improve the skin's barrier function, which is vital for keeping it smooth and supple. These oils mimic the skin's natural sebum, allowing them to be absorbed well without clogging pores. This means you get the moisture your skin needs while maintaining a silky, smooth texture. By consistently incorporating these natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you're setting your skin up for long-term health and beauty. Not only do these ingredients enhance texture, but they also promote overall skin resilience. They nourish, protect, and improve skin quality gently and effectively. Up next, we'll move on to discuss how natural skincare supports the skin's natural repair processes and promotes long-term health. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. Natural ingredients often work synergistically with the skin's natural processes. Instead of imposing changes, they support and enhance what your skin naturally does. Take calendula and chamomile, for instance. These powerful ingredients don't just coat your skin temporarily, but work deeply to reduce redness and promote healing. Calendula is well known for its antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, making it great for calming irritation and speeding up the skin's ability to heal cuts, burns, and other minor injuries. It's a gentle yet incredibly effective ally for mature skin that demands extra care. Chamomile, on the other hand, is a star in the anti-inflammatory world. It's loaded with antioxidants and also boasts antiseptic properties, providing soothing relief for irritated skin. Its calming effect does more than just feel nice. It actually aids in decreasing the appearance of redness and puffiness, allowing your skin to repair itself more effectively. By supporting the skin's natural repair processes, these natural ingredients contribute to a healthier, more resilient complexion over time. Embracing natural skincare is like giving your skin a nurturing environment to thrive. Stay with us as we explore more about how natural skincare not only benefits your skin, but aligns with a sustainable, mindful approach to beauty. Keep listening for more invaluable tips and tricks. Now let's talk about gentle exfoliation, a crucial step in any skincare routine, especially as we age. One of the beauties of natural skincare is the use of mild exfoliants like oatmeal, sugar, and fruit enzymes. These ingredients work wonders in removing dead skin cells without causing microtears or irritation. Oatmeal, for example, is incredibly soothing and can gently buff away dead skin while calming any inflammation you might have. It's a perfect example of how an ingredient can be both effective and gentle. And who doesn't love the idea of an oatmeal mask? Then there's sugar, a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin while also providing a smooth exfoliation. It's a great option for sloughing off dead skin cells without any harshness. And when we talk about fruit enzymes, we're stepping into the realm of natural magic. Enzymes from fruits like papaya and pineapple gently dissolve dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. What's more, these natural exfoliants do their job without compromising your skin barrier, which becomes more fragile with age. This is key because the last thing we want is to cause micro-tears that can lead to irritation or even more significant issues down the line. By opting for these natural, gentle exfoliants, you're ensuring a smoother skin texture without the drawbacks of harsher, conventional exfoliators. Gentle exfoliation is all about revealing that fresh skin without causing harm or aggravating sensitivity. So next time you're looking to give your skin a little boost, reach for these natural exfoliants. Your skin will thank you. Up next, we'll explore more about how natural ingredients promote long-term skin health and align with a sustainable, mindful beauty routine. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about how natural skincare promotes long-term skin health. Natural skincare products are nutrient-dense, packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that support a healthier complexion over time. These ingredients work together to enhance the resilience and vitality of your skin as it ages. Imagine feeding your skin a diet full of wholesome, nutrient-rich foods. That's what natural skincare does. By using products infused with vitamins like A, C, and E, you're supplying your skin with vital nutrients that aid in regeneration and repair. These vitamins are antioxidants that help combat the damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the aging process. Minerals such as zinc and magnesium found in natural ingredients also play a crucial role. They support skin repair and soothe inflammation, ensuring your skin remains calm and balanced. Essential fatty acids, found in oils like flaxseed and evening primrose, are vital for maintaining the skin's moisture barrier and elasticity. These fatty acids help keep your skin plump and hydrated, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Consistent use of natural skincare products gradually improves your skin's health. It's not about quick fixes, but building a strong foundation for long-term benefits. By embracing natural skincare, you're investing in your skin's future, ensuring it stays resilient and vibrant through the years. Thank you for sticking with us through this journey on natural skincare for aging skin. Thank you for joining us today on Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. I hope you've enjoyed today's journey into the wonderful world of natural skincare for aging skin. From gentle, nourishing ingredients and deep hydration with natural oils to the powerful antioxidants and long-term skin health benefits, we've covered a lot. If you've enjoyed this podcast and want to know how you can use essential oils to get healthy, glowing skin, take a look at my course Renew and Replenish, using essential oils for mature skin in the link below. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to send me a message. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and keep your skincare routine natural and nourishing.